Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Facebook Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Facebook on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Facebook marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1, Facebook Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what Facebook is all about nowadays. What business goals can you accomplish with Facebook? There's a Facebook business tool for every business goal, and shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. Section 2, Marketing on Facebook Step by Step. In videos 5 through 11, we'll talk about creating a Facebook account, Facebook pages, Facebook ads, Messenger for Business, Instagram, Audience Network, and Atlas. Section 3, Advanced Facebook Marketing Strategies. In videos 12 through 16, we'll talk about affiliate marketing with Facebook, how to dramatically increase your ROI remarketing on Facebook, how to use Facebook groups as a powerful marketing tool, using the Facebook search bar for market research, and Facebook for developers. Section 4, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Facebook marketing. I know you'll love this training.